do is get some apples ready. Okay. So there you go. That's probably about 2 apples. So we're going to finally dice them. So we probably got about 2 cups of apples there. Alright, so next we got mild Italian sausage. So what you're going to do is just slice the top of it, just like that. And you're going to take the sausage out of the casing, just like that. Okay, so there we go. That's what we got, right? We're just going to pat this dry. We'll trim some of this fat off the back here. Alright, so I got some of the fat off. What I'm going to do, I think, is just square this up a little bit here. Okay, so I guess we'll start off right here. I want to try not to cut through the pork. Alright, so we got it. Turn this way. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to put a layer of the sausage. Alright, just like that. Next, we're going to grab the apples. Just spread the apples evenly. So we're going to roll it now. Okay, so let's try to wrap it around the whole piece of meat. Now, a good thing to do is just throw this in a bowl. Okay, so we're going to go slide underneath it. Okay, so there we go. It's all tied. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Put this up now. 350-degree oven. Put it right on top of there. This is going to take probably a couple hours to cook.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked our videos. If you liked it that much, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications so you get updates on the new videos.